Your immune system is under attack right now, and you're letting it happen. Every day invisible enemies are trying to take you down, and most people are unprepared. I'm talking about germs, viruses, all the nasty stuff that makes you feel terrible. But what if I told you the cure is already in your kitchen? You're steps away from 3 secret weapons that can supercharge your body's defenses. We're not talking about expensive pills or weird supplements, just everyday foods you probably ignore. Today, I'll show you how to use them to become practically invincible, ready to turn your kitchen into an immunity-boosting lab. Let's go. First up, garlic. This humble little bulb is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, just waiting to be transformed into something amazing. But did you know it's so much more than just a flavor booster? Garlic has been used for thousands of years, not just in cooking, but as a powerful, natural remedy. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese all prized garlic for its healing properties. Today, we're going to unlock its secrets and see why it deserves a spot in your daily routine. Most people think it's just for flavor, tossing it into pasta or stir-fries for that extra kick. But garlic is so much more than a kitchen staple. It's a true powerhouse for your immune system, working behind the scenes to keep you healthy and strong. When you add garlic to your meals, you're not just making your food taste better, you're giving your body a natural shield against illness. It's like adding a secret ingredient that helps you feel your best, day after day. Inside every clove is allicin, a compound that's a straight-up assassin for germs. Allicin is what gives garlic its signature smell and its powerful health benefits. When you crush or chop garlic, you activate this compound, turning each clove into a tiny germ-fighting machine. Crush or chew garlic, and you unleash an army of microscopic ninjas inside your body. These little warriors go to work immediately, hunting down bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. It's like having your own personal security team, working 24/7 to keep you safe. Here's the real challenge: eat it raw. That's right, raw garlic is where the magic happens. Cooking garlic is great, but eating it raw gives you the full force of allicin, unfiltered and undiluted. Yes, your breath will be legendary, and you might clear a room, but the benefits are absolutely worth it. Raw garlic is a natural antibiotic, and it can help your body fight off colds, flu, and even more serious infections. So, the challenge: 1 raw clove of garlic. That's it. It sounds simple, but trust me, it's a test of courage and willpower. If you can handle this, you can handle anything. I've brought in my friend Carl. He's always up for a challenge, and today, he's joining me on this garlic adventure. We're both a little nervous, but excited to see what happens. We each have a clove. On 3, we chew and swallow. No water, no bread, just pure garlic power. This is the ultimate test of bravery and commitment to health. 3, 2, 1, go. The burn is immediate. It's intense, almost like eating a mouthful of wasabi. But I feel alive, like my body is building a fortress from the inside out. The heat rushes through your mouth and nose, and you can almost feel the allicin going to work. Carl's eyes are watering, but he's hanging in there. This is the price of greatness. We're both laughing, but deep down, we know we're doing something amazing for our bodies. If you can't handle a whole clove, start by crushing it and letting it sit for 10 minutes. This activates the allicin and makes it a little easier to eat. You don't have to go full warrior right away. Ease into it, then mix with honey or spread it on bread. The honey helps mellow out the sharpness, and the bread gives you something to chew on. It's a great way to get the benefits without the full-on garlic blast. But if you're brave, try the raw clove challenge. It's a badge of honor, and your immune system will thank you. Plus, you'll have a great story to tell your friends. Record yourself and tag me. I want to see your reactions, your triumphs, and maybe even your tears. Let's make this a movement. About raw garlic challenge. For the price of a single bulb, you get a world-class immune supplement. Garlic is affordable, natural, and incredibly effective. Why spend a fortune on pills and powders when you can get the real deal for pennies? People spend hundreds on pills that don't work half as well. Most supplements are unregulated and filled with fillers. But garlic is pure, straight from the earth, and proven by science. Studies show regular garlic can cut your colds by over 60%. That's not just a small difference, that's a game changer. Imagine going through winter without getting sick, just because you added garlic to your routine. Imagine slashing your sick days just by eating this. More energy, more productivity, and more time to do what you love. Garlic helps you stay on top of your game, no matter what life throws at you. Garlic isn't just food, it's a weapon. It's your secret tool for staying healthy, strong, and resilient. When you eat garlic, you're arming yourself against whatever germs come your way. Allicin doesn't just kill germs, it also boosts your white blood cells, the soldiers of your immune system. These cells are your first line of defense, and garlic helps them multiply and fight harder. Eating garlic is like sending your troops to boot camp. They come out stronger and ready for battle. Every clove you eat is like leveling up your body's defenses, making you more resilient with every bite. Every clove is an experience point for your immune system. The more you eat, the stronger you get. It's a simple, delicious way to invest in your health. The common cold won't stand a chance. You'll breeze through flu season while everyone else is reaching for tissues and cough drops. Next time you see garlic at the store, grab a bulb and prepare for battle. Stock up, because once you start, you'll never want to be without it. Challenge 1. Complete. My mouth is tingling, my eyes are watering, but I feel incredible. Carl survived too, and we're both feeling like champions. This is just the beginning. 1 down, 2 to go. The next one is something you're probably ignoring every day. Stay tuned, because we're just getting started on this journey to a stronger, healthier you. Next up, let's talk about a fruit that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, quietly waiting to change your life. The humble lemon. This citrus powerhouse isn't just for garnishing drinks or adding a tangy twist to your salad. Lemons are absolutely packed with vitamin C, the general for your immune system's army, leading the charge every single day to keep you healthy and strong. Vitamin C is crucial because it increases the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections, viruses, and all those invisible invaders that try to bring you down. Think of it as your body's natural shield. Without enough vitamin C, your immune army is weak, sluggish, and unprepared for battle. You might find yourself getting sick more often, feeling tired, or just not bouncing back as quickly as you'd like. And here's the best part. Forget those expensive supplement powders and fancy vitamin drinks. Lemons are the original natural source of vitamin C, and they come without the hefty price tag or artificial ingredients. So, let's have some fun with it. Welcome to Challenge 2. The Sour Shot. The rules are simple. Squeeze the juice of an entire lemon into a glass. No sugar, no water, just pure, unfiltered lemon power. The challenge? Drink it all in one go. Can you do it without making a face? It's harder than it sounds. To make things interesting, I've brought in my friend, Chris, to take the challenge with me. We each have a glass of pure lemon juice. The first person to cringe, pucker, or make a sour face loses. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Instantly, the sourness hits. My face is trying to implode, but I hold it together. Chris can't take it. He breaks first. Victory is mine. But don't worry, you don't have to go to such extremes at home. There's a gentler, more delicious way to get your daily dose of lemon goodness. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water every morning. This simple ritual alkalizes your body, kickstarts your digestion, and hydrates you from the inside out. Plus, it floods your system with vitamin C, giving you a natural energy boost and helping your body repair and renew itself. While others start their day with sugary coffee or energy drinks, you're building a wall against sickness and setting yourself up for success. But that's not all. Lemons are also loaded with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help repair your body from past damage, reduce inflammation, and keep your cells healthy. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Vitamin C is the fire department, rushing in to put out the flames of infection. Flavonoids are the construction crew, rebuilding and strengthening your body's infrastructure every day. Drinking lemon water also makes staying hydrated easier and more effective. It helps flush out toxins, supports your kidneys, and leaves you feeling refreshed after a workout or a long day. So here's the real challenge. Add lemon to your morning routine for just 1 week. It's simple, affordable, and can make a huge difference in how you feel. 1 glass of lemon water every day for 7 days. That's it. No complicated recipes, no expensive ingredients, just you, a lemon, and a glass of water. At the end of the week, come back and comment how you feel. Did you notice more energy, better digestion, fewer cravings for junk food? I want to hear your story. You'll be more energetic, more hydrated, and just better. Your skin might glow, your mood might lift, and you'll be ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. That's 2 down. Garlic and lemon. But get ready, because the third ingredient is the most intense yet. It's not for the faint of heart. It's spicy, it's powerful, and it will absolutely blow your mind. Are you ready for the next level? Let's go. For the grand finale, ginger. This humble knobby root may not look like much at first glance, but don't let its rugged appearance fool you. Ginger is a true superstar in the world of natural health, and today, it takes center stage. This gnarly root is a spicy hero, and one of the healthiest spices on the planet. For thousands of years, ginger has been treasured in kitchens and medicine cabinets across the globe, from ancient China and India to modern wellness circles. Its bold, zesty flavor is unmistakable, but it's the health benefits that really make ginger shine. The secret behind ginger's power is a compound called gingerol. This natural chemical is what gives ginger its signature heat and aroma, but it's also a powerhouse for your body. Gingerol has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping to protect your cells from damage and reduce swelling throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is like a silent enemy, slowly wearing down your immune system and making you more vulnerable to illness, but gingerol steps in as a calming force, helping your body focus on fighting real threats, like viruses and bacteria, rather than turning on itself. It's like having a wise, experienced medic on your health team, always ready to step in when things get rough. Now, for the final challenge. Are you ready for it? A pure ginger shot. This isn't for the faint of heart, but it's the ultimate way to experience ginger's fiery kick and health benefits all at once. No lemon, no honey, just raw, spicy ginger juice. It's as intense as it sounds, and it's about to put our taste buds to the test. Carl and Chris are back for this one, ready to see who can handle the heat. We've all got our shot glasses lined up, and the rules are simple. Last to react wins bragging rights. We each have a shot glass of ginger juice. The anticipation is real. Who will keep a straight face? And who will be the first to break? 3, 2, 1. Bottoms up. The moment that ginger hits your tongue, it's like a wave of heat rushing through your mouth and down your throat. It's immediate, intense, and honestly, a little bit exhilarating. It's like swallowing fire, but in a good way. The burn is sharp, but it's also strangely invigorating, like your whole body just woke up. Carl's coughing, Chris is frozen in shock, and I'm doing my best to keep it together. The reactions are priceless. Some of us are fanning our mouths, others are laughing through watery eyes, but in the end, I win this round. My throat's on fire, but I feel cleansed, like I just hit the reset button on my whole system. That's the magic of ginger. It's intense, but it leaves you feeling refreshed and alive. Of course, a pure ginger shot is a bit extreme for most people. If you want the benefits, without the burn, ginger tea is a fantastic option. It's soothing, warming, and easy to make at home. Just slice up some fresh ginger, pour hot water over it, let it steep, and add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey if you like. The result is a comforting drink that's perfect for chilly mornings or when you're feeling under the weather. Ginger tea at the first sign of a sore throat is a game changer. Gingerol fights germs, the warmth soothes, and the steam helps clear your sinuses. It's like a hug in a mug, and your immune system will thank you for it. But don't stop at tea. Grate fresh ginger into your stir-fries, soups, or smoothies for a daily boost. Its flavor pairs beautifully with both sweet and savory dishes, and just a little goes a long way. Ginger can even help with digestion, making it a great addition to meals that are a bit heavier. Imagine this: lemon water in the morning to wake up your system, garlic with dinner to keep your defenses strong, and ginger tea at night to soothe and restore. It's a simple routine, but it covers all the bases. That's a 24/7 defense shield for your body. Lemon acts as the general, giving the orders and setting the tone. Garlic is like the drill sergeant, training your immune soldiers to be tough and ready. And ginger is the medic and special forces, swooping in to heal, protect, and energize. Together, they're an unstoppable team, your own kitchen superheroes, ready to take on whatever comes your way. The best part? This complete holistic strategy for health is already in your kitchen. No need for expensive supplements or complicated routines. Just real, whole foods with centuries of wisdom behind them. No subscriptions, no weird side effects, just pure, natural power. It's simple, it's effective, and it's accessible to everyone. So here's the last challenge, the triple threat. Can you handle it? For one day, use all three: lemon water, garlic, and ginger tea. See how you feel, and notice the difference in your energy, your mood, and your overall health. For one day, commit to this routine. Start your morning with lemon water, add garlic to your meals, and wind down with ginger tea at night. It's a small change, but it could make a big impact. Drop a comment if you dare to try the ginger shot. Share your experience, your reactions, and your favorite ways to use these natural boosters. But more importantly, take the triple threat challenge and see how you feel. Track your progress, celebrate your wins, and inspire others to join you on this journey to better health. We've faced the pungent, the sour, and the spicy. Each one brings its own unique benefits, and together, they create a powerful shield for your body and mind. These aren't just old wives' tales. This is real, accessible science. The research backs it up, and the results speak for themselves. Don't just watch. Take action. Your health is in your hands. Your immune system will thank you. Here's to your health, your energy, and your resilience, powered by the simple natural magic of ginger, garlic, and lemon. There you have it: garlic, lemon, and ginger. 3 everyday items that can transform your immunity. We took the challenges, faced the pain, and came out stronger. This isn't just for a video, it's a real strategy you can use every day. Forget expensive supplements. The best medicine is already in your kitchen. Studies show these 3 foods can cut your sick days in half. If you're ready to take on the challenge, smash that like button, comment your favorite immune booster, and subscribe for more hacks that actually work. Click here for the next video.